Students, all of you take out your maths book, mention date and day. Today I am going to start new exercise 29.6. In previous video we already discussed exercise 29.1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So student, open page number 127. More properties of multiplication. Property of 0. If 0 is multiplied with any number, the product becomes 0. Okay? See, 0 into 9 equal to 0, 7 into 0 equal to 0. हम लोग कोई भी डिजिट को अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वो 0 ही सेम नंबर आता है, 0. ओके? इवन इफ द नंबर इज ऑफ मोर देन वन डिजिट, अगर वन डिजिट से ज़्यादा भी हो, जैसे एग्जाम्पल 16 इंटू 0 इक्वल टू 0. Property of 1. If 1 multiplies with any number or a number multiplies with 1, then that number will remain the same. See example, 1 into 6 equal to 6, 9 into 1 equal to 9. If the number is of more than one digit, see example, 19 into 1 equal to 19. 1 into 27 equal to 27. अगर 1 को हम लोग कोई भी डिजिट से इंटू करते हैं तो वो जिस डिजिट से, जैसे 2 से इंटू किए तो 2 आएगा. 2 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 1, 1 इंटू 2 इक्वल टू 2, 9 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 9, 1 इंटू 9 इक्वल टू 9. ओके. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ टेंस. इफ एनी नंबर that multiplies with 10, that number will increase by 0 on the right side of the given number. 7 in, see example, 7 into 10 equal to 70, 9 into 10 equal to 90, or 2 into 10 equal to 10, 5 into 10 equal to 50, 2 into 10 equal to 20 and 5 into 10 equal to 50. Okay. Open page number 128. Multiplications of two digit number with one digit number. Okay. Two digit number, see, 2 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. See, 24 into 2. Okay. First step, 4 into 2. Ones into number. Okay. Ones into number. Ones is in 4 place, 4 is in ones place, so 4 into 2 equal to 8 and 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay. Second step, 2 into 2. First step, 4 into 2. Second step, 2 into 2. See answer, 48. 4 is in tens place and 8 is in ones place. Okay. See, 3 into 3 equal to 9, 1 into 3 equal to 3. 4 into 2 equal to 8, 1 into 2 equal to 2. Second step. First step, 4 into 2 equal to 8. Second step, 1 into 2 equal to 2. Okay. Now come to the exercise 29.6. Multiply the following. Tens ones. 1 is in tens place and 1 is same again, 1 is in ones place. So 1 into 2 equal to 2. 1 into 2 equal to 2. Okay. 0 into 2. 0 से अगर कोई भी डिजिट को इंटू करते हैं तो वो 0 ही होता है. सो 0, 1 into 2 equal to 2. 1 into 2 equal to 2. 4 into 2 equal to 8. Okay. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 1 into 2 equal to 2. Okay. So student, in this way you have to do all question. Exercise 29.6 is your classwork. You have to do in your maths book. Okay. Thank you.